Good morning everyone, how you doing guys today? Today quickly I'm gonna tell you about the new rules about the visas and stuff. So if you're thinking or planning to come to Bali in the very near future, you should watch this episode till end. Intro. Alright, so if you're coming to Bali in the near future, like in the next few weeks, this is the new rules from the governor of Bali. And first of all, you have to get the virus test 7 days before arrival and download some application from the government website. Also link below, and I will show you the original poster in Bahasa, Indonesia. Thanks to this QR code you can get a virus test no longer than 7 days before arrival, and also you will have to buy ticket using this QR code. And this is very important. Without this QR code and virus test, you're not gonna get entry to Bali. If you are in by ferry from the different islands, let's say Lombok or Flores or somewhere, you just need to have a virus test and you should be fine. However, it's still no more information about the visa on arrival. So like I said a few days ago in the previous episode, also link over there, you can see as the everything back to normal should be in July. So the foreigners, everyone who is coming from abroad and don't have a valid KITAS or KITAB visa. If you don't know what is the KITAS or KITAB visa, it's like work permits or family visa or something like that. If you don't have it, you are not allowed to come to Bali or Indonesia in the next few weeks. But everything should come back to normal in July. Also another thing very important, when you arrive to Bali, you should do this 14 days self-quarantine. But this is the self-quarantine, so will be probably no police checkpoints and everything. However, you should do this, respect the local law. And about the test, this is the PCR test, so it's very rapid test. You just have to go to hospital, make a test and bring it with you everywhere you go in Bali. However, don't forget, you should do it no longer than 7 days before arriving. If you do it like 14 days or something, that's gonna be not valid and you will get a problem in the airport.
What's up, bro?
Oh!
How you doing? Been cool.
Yeah, so in Bali, vibes are very nice. I hope so I mentioned everything what I should mention. If I forgot something, or maybe you have any questions about how to get to Bali or how is the current situation here, just let me know, comments below. I will answer as soon as possible. Alright, that will be enough for today. Very short episode, just quick informations about the visa, and if you're planning to come to Bali in the next few days, this is the most important information what you have to know. I hope so everything will be back to normal in the very near future. In the next few weeks everyone will be welcome to Bali. Anyway, if you like the episode, don't forget to subscribe, put the ring on so we'll get the notifications about the new episodes. Soon we're gonna start a daily vlogging, so will be every day something interesting from Bali. And stay safe. See ya.